Hello, I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, and this is your truth for the week. We're going to help you put feet to your face so that you can walk victoriously. And today, we're talking about the key to maximizing self-encouragement. See, it's all about pushing past, your present, as well as getting into your future, because that's where you want to go. But you can't do that without that self-encouragement. David said he had to encourage himself in the Lord. So how are we going to do that today? Because he did it. That was the message this week. He did do it. Great is his faithfulness. But how we are going to encourage ourselves and maximize that self-encouragement, number one, we're going to reflect. That's why we have to reflect on God's faithfulness. That means you need to study your word. You need to get in your word. You need to know your word. You need to be reminded of the stories of the things that he's already done in the past. And when you reflect upon that, it's going to give you the courage to move forward in your future. You need to also recall what he has already done for you. That's the second thing. Yes, you're going to reflect on what he's done for others, but you're going to recall what he's already done for you. When you recall those things, when you look back over your journal, your prayer journal, where you've asked God for different things and you recognize that he was an on-time God, you recognize that he showed up and he showed out, you recognize that his mighty works and his hand was upon you, that he has never left you nor forsaken you. When you recall all of those things, you're going to encourage yourself. The third thing you're going to do is you're going to renew. You're going to renew your mind, renew your faith in him. You're going to renew your trust in him yet again, because after the recollection and after the reflection, you recognize that God has done it before and he'll do it again. And he's going to do it for you. This is your truth. In 5 minutes or less, I want to make sure that you put feet to your faith. So how are you going to do that? You're going to reflect on his faithfulness and on his word and stay in it. You're going to recall just what he has done. You're not going to be forgetful. You're not going to have amnesia. You're going to remember. And then you're going to renew your mind and say, know what? Just because it hasn't happened yet doesn't mean that it won't. If he said it, that settles it, and I'm going to receive all that God has for me. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes, helping you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. Have an absolutely fantastic rest of your week. God bless. Hi, thanks for listening and watching. And if you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification button so you'll know the next time there's a new episode. Listen, as a result of my coaching program, my clients have experienced a calming of the emotional roller coaster. They have a compelling future, as well as a confidence in the know-how to achieve it. And they have clarity on the financial tools that they need in order to live life on their terms and save tens of thousands of dollars. I'm looking for women who are devastated by the double D's, divorce or death, who want to gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. My question is, who do you know? Have them go ahead and book a call with me so that we can get to that compelling future. My heart may be broke, but your bank account doesn't have to be. You can find us online at htruth.org. At Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's word, standing on his promises, walking out his principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.